Bidentate ligands are the ligands which donate 2 electron pairs to the central atom. We will see few examples where ligands are donating, one ligand is donating 2 electron pairs to the central atom. The first example is ethane 1,2-diamine. Ethane meaning 2 carbons connected by single bond. At first carbon and second carbon you have amine NH2 NH2. Ethane 1,2-diamine is represented as EN. It's an abbreviation used. So this structure, say for example if you have a central metal atom or ion here, then this nitrogen also forms a coordinate bond, that is it donates electron pair. This nitrogen also forms a coordinate bond with the central metal. So like that, one ligand is forming 2 coordinate bonds. Similar logic is applied for the other ligands as well. Oxalate ion, also called as oxalato ion because it's negatively charged. Oxalato ion is derived from oxalic acid. If we write oxalic acid, it looks like this, COOH, COOH. When we remove both these H plus, then we get a minus charge here and a minus charge here. This itself is called as oxalato ion. If you see the formula, there are 2 carbons, so it is C2, 4 oxygens, so O4, 2 minus. Can be written like this or can be written like this, or its abbreviation is OX, 2 minus. Ox representing oxalato ligand. Similarly, if we take a metal here, this oxygen also can form a coordinate bond. It can donate electron pair. This oxygen also forms a coordinate bond, giving a structure like this. Glycinato ion. Glycinato ion is obtained from the common compound glycine. Glycine has a structure like this. It's the simplest alpha amino acid. So carboxylic acid, this is the alpha carbon. On this carbon, an amino group. Glycinato ion is obtained when this carboxylic acid loses its proton. It becomes negatively charged. So if we have a metal atom or ion, this oxygen, because of its excess electrons, it can donate the lone pair. It has lone pair. This nitrogen anyway has a lone pair. It can also donate its electron pair. Such type of a structure is formed. Its abbreviation is GLY and charge is -1. Dimethyl glyoximate or dimethyl glyoxymato ion. So dimethyl, there are 2 methyl groups and it is obtained from, this type of a structure, oxime type of a structure, C double bond N OH. So you can see here C double bond N and one H plus is lost here. Here the H plus is retained. So the charge on dimethyl glyoxymato is -1. In all these ligands here, all of them are bidentate ligand. Ethane 1,2-diamine is neutrally charged. It does not have any charge, 0 charge. Oxalato ion has 2 minus charge. Glycinato, you can see it has 1 minus. DMG, this is the abbreviation for this compound or this ligand. DMG has -1 charge as well.